Okay guys, I'm going to be unpacking a new iPad today, and so show you all the features and then tell you how you can get one for free. Okay, it's really cool. Comes with a USB cable and a connector. That's about it. Alright, let's turn it on and see what it does. Okay, it's booting up. Okay, so I just opened up the new iPad and I'm checking out all these cool applications. It's a very sleek, thin design and easy to hold. And you can look at all your photos, and it's really neat. iPadgiveaway.net is giving them away for free, so if you'd like to get one, you should go check it out.